Hello, Sultan. Oh, let me rearrange that. How are you?
I'm doing amazingly well.
You've had a haircut.
Yes,
Congratulations.
thank you very much. What have you been up to?
What's that, sorry?
What have you been up to?
What have I been up to? I've been at my mum's house, so I've spent quite a lot of time relaxing, visiting people. I mean, just visiting like close family
Okay,
who live in the area, and doing some tutoring and just catching up. Really, it's been quite nice.
that's
Um,
pretty awesome.
yeah, how about you?
As you know, this is what I did by myself with the
Hmm.
trimmer.
Yeah, you've done a
So
pretty good job.
thanks a lot. So apart from this, I am trying to read books nowadays because I'm not reading that much and taking Arabic lectures,
Mm,
cooking. This
yeah,
is how I am spending my time.
that sounds good. How are you finding it?
It's cool, but sometimes it is also monotonous.
Yeah,
So because I am doing the same thing every day, I cannot go outside.
yeah.
Yes,
So yeah, I mean, it's I mean, I think that I think also not being around other people can be quite has been quite challenging for
exactly.
a lot of people. But yeah, it does sound. And how's your Arabic coming along?
It is quite good,
Mm,
and I'm actually also not giving that much time to my Arabic language
mm,
as well. Previously, I was taking 2 or 3 lectures in a day.
mm,
Nowadays, I'm taking one lecture, or maybe I skip someday.
mm.
So I'm not regular because
Yeah,
in the beginning, the lectures were easily comprehensible.
yeah,
Now the difficult part has started.
yeah.
So that's the problem.
Right. So they're turning up the dial.
Yes, but inshallah, I will not give up. I will
Mm.
continue it.
Yeah,
Yes.
and I think as well that maybe once things are a bit more normal, it might then be possible to actually practice some of the things you have
Yes,
learned. I think I think that will make a difference. I mean, with any language, you want to have an opportunity to practice it.
definitely. Practice plays the pivotal role. It
Yeah,
is very much important. In
yeah.
anything, in any skill you are learning, practice makes the man perfect.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That's it. And in terms of cooking, are you a good cook in general?
Uh, if I say anything, it will be like I am blowing my own trumpet. But but yes, my friends do praise me. They do admire me,
Yeah.
and they say that you cook really good.
Really
But
well.
nowadays, yes, and nowadays I am avoiding cooking because of the weather. I don't
Yeah.
want to go in the kitchen,
Right.
so I'm just making loaves, and that's all.
Making what, so making
Rotis.
oh,
How do
rotis.
how do we say it in English?
Just
Bread.
bread? Yeah, bread.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
a loaf of bread is a loaf of bread is different. I mean, a loaf of bread is yeah, I mean, I know roti, but a loaf of bread, I guess, is a
okay.
different type of bread, really.
So it is better to call it bread.
Yeah, you could just say, I make bread.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
do you have anything similar to it?
What to a
Anything
roti?
similar?
What in
Yes.
terms? I mean, there are lots of different types of bread you can buy. We have I mean in this country the bread tends to be in loaves. It tends to be a loaf of
Okay.
bread. However, if you want to get
Flat
mid
one?
if you want to get flatbread like Middle Eastern or South Asian, different types of flatbread, you can get them quite easily. Many of the supermarkets have them, so it's possible to get them. But in terms of flatbread, not really. We do have or not so much. We do have other things which are flat. So there's something, for example, called a I'll write it down, the potato cake or a potato scone. Um
Okay.
so this is yeah, so it's quite flat. Um
It is similar to what we call roti.
it looks a little bit like
Okay.
that. Yeah, I mean, it tastes different, but if you were to look at it, it might look like a distant cousin of roti.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
except although it is different, but potato cakes are. I mean, it's more of a. I think it's more of a Scottish and Irish thing.
Okay. What we use in pizza, the dough
So
is
yeah.
quite similar to our roti
Yes, I guess it would be really.
to some extent.
Yeah. A second cousin maybe, second cousin or
Yes.
third cousin.
So today we are discussing the family of breads.
The family of bread. Yes, we should draw up a family tree. Yeah.